Woodsie or ha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Yeah.
Vanna take on
me pacho me say MPP for ya omokasa omo share omokasa mu ye. Mpempia na go and read. You don't read. Go and read. You don't read. No so yatia na man penny. Mo man penny. Or say I was misled. Who misled him? Did he read? Sanka mo man penny no read and konkasa I was misled. In most of the scandals na see nya eba ya say I was misled. Mama can say me chow. President Mama or can say me or see the NDC party and I said the National Democratic Congress is not going to accept any flawed election. Yeah, underline the word flawed. One can say the NDC will not accept any defeat or see will not accept any flawed election. Nti me patcho me nwan MPP for ya mun ready mun kenkan na ansana mo be kasa obedwo ma ya mun kenkan ansana mo aba be kasa. Nti no na all party no say nia kana na bi na your friend say easy mami je mensa ne nkrof bossman mo ye na ende o mo say be blue now the following day mu ye nya just mo say blue na e ba be o na ade be che be do na mo ye green ti say na nanse ya na e course say printing press yi aye printing ballot mo say ye no room A na ade be a ma cha na fa obi be pia akwa ji so na akwa ko say room B so printing bi so e course. These are some of the flawed processes that the man was talking about. Let us be transparent. O man no boy ma ye nya ye ma ye nya. So we should be transparent and be truthful and candid to ourselves. Until the Mampeni Mama said, we are not going to accept any flawed election.
I'm some few seconds. Or say, yes, yeah, printing or room A at 2 a.m. We saw conjunction going to say room B so no, yeah, printing B. Then you just gasp in as aspiration. But at the end of my G booms are so 1 minute. Because he didn't imagine boom sana.
The question is what feed so. Say yet any other platform using the team casem without.
Yeah man, so kakra.
Yet any other platform so. And yeah we just.
And I say in your view, they do not measure up to the debate nana.
Say me say what feed so. No as I say yeah plenty idea A. Obi so okojo so A B. I mean any pair audience tapes our program.
What do you make of a sad description or simplify no? What do you
no, he should on my he should speak to facts. Say be near printing or afi you could pay her. On fire easy so explanation.
Say yeah be printing or yeah printing room A.
And will be control so no will be.
Room
B. It's so low.
Really?
Wow. No, he should speak.
What do you know about Enuntia or Kayana year was what do you know?
Just say on speaking to the sacred facts or
facts to be a whole pertaining to room A be room B.
Me as small can minim A.
How about I didn't mind you shows man I say we stress idea cranny.
The me person say platform also platform we here's a big platform. And there's a make a suggestion that you speak to what is known. A and B no
to the submission and you up to scratch
no A and B
pertaining to the platform
nana. A and B near abstract. On chair a printing house when near printing. After you see, you can't try to be a good deal. But me, never one. The person be changing and say, right from day one, because one person will discredit the easy process. Until
okay, man opportunity in okay. Would the NDC, would you ever appreciate at the Pebia current crop is your moyana?
Adakabre. Me the can say me say so man a year Eden a mayenya a boa mayenya. Why, as a youth, would I be in the country and be chanting for violence or this supporting lies and this? Namabia, say moi ma omano enye and as a omani nyasunjo. Assembly press and a printer adi. Emra ya ni electoral commission. Anka electoral commissions now o ma be twam nyano. Ansa na mo be call assembly press and as a bia a printing press bia no. Omo di kan ma mo statistics e kire mo say assembly press ya mo koyi. Bia Adakabre assembly press mukwa total number of your friends printing of ballot ni on be printing mukwa aha and also sa do say on be printing and assembly press so amino kasano the current person the leadership now down or your parliamentary candidate for the MPP in Nkoko it at the initial stage you can say they be yeah assembly press in film due to the person who was heading it and say they be any man in there so yejitum ye kodo assembly press ye bisa mo say mo man records mo say o dey bi ye nko bisa printing press no how
the be
hold on me build the abasa sem no so and this ye assembly press no ye need contract bia it is is the EC that we have contract with. So the EC should be able to give us the statistics and say, oh, Mukwa Assembly Press, yeah, and I say Mukwa Assembly Press, I did also more expect if you are any more expected 200,000 ballot papers. Now you're just into your corner Assembly Press, printing. Now I'm printing less than 200,000. We have a cost for alarm. So I'm printing more than 200,000. We will still have a cost for alarm because at the end of the day, the referee no actually say balls back 200 and I'll be making available. By Yaba no the 100 and I make it available. And that's what the 201 and I make it available. See saying because these are the records somebody are mine. You find no chain A and B. You go to Assembly Press. Much say room A and a bear printing no. Even though more printing rooms me by ya printing no nya e wo den e wo room A. Into the nya ya nji tum say room A and the agent nya kwakọ to room A. Aye nya ya hwe say printing no e koso. Then all of a sudden our matching your agent back be PS kwakọ so no kwakọ to say another the same Assembly Press room B now omo ya printing no kwakọ to say room B no so printing be koso. Meanwhile mama ya tia say munya printing wo ho printing na ye ba be nya no ye printing no e wo den e wo room A wo na ye ka say munya na nkofo empese begitum mame kom asem so baby a oka say alaji scenario then sem no me person me catch no no untie no ye because they don't read the MPP they don't read they always make noise omo read omo nkenkan me person me kire no onko ye bia onko nkenkan the scenario issue no a competent court of jurisdiction e wo Ghana no emo di nsem no kokodan court no omo di nsem no kokodan court no nya no court no ekukọ nsem no ye investigator no ye ne bibia ne adade nya wie no omo ba out clear e be ka say alaji scenario innocent. It's no based on that no ni asem no mu it no ye exonerate no onye free man it's me no can say alaji scenario running am or free man.
He never denied
hold on please.
Ondina
Hold on. Are you bigger than the court or you know better than the court? It's a competent court of jurisdiction. And I claim no. And I can maybe senior. And I claim no. And I can be to say security issues. Say or see security records then they know. You should never make such a mistake. Go and take the books and read. Then catch up in the history of this country, apart from Nkrumah, and then you compare the current president Nana Addo and then the former president, which is John Dramani Mahama. The only government armor improvement about the security system or the security apparatus of this country was under the NDC, under the leadership of John. Me conclude no. You can say insecurity. It's not just about illegal weapons. Na eba o mind no. Say and there, you say aban mu pen for efum o man japade. Say ti memu for eti o man mu. Youth no omu say abam na and there oben say o man penin you see store we say duty free say terminal 3 sa duty free shop na one or the aban the badge and Nkrumah and I see another sa 2 point something billion ya and say am koji Ghana commercial bank no. If these things are going on in the country not mem for the youth mbebunu omu say na nipa na ya to aban man say okọ on man ye nya ho aton no yes, or drink the booster for these are some of the insecurity that we are talking about. It's called for raising of ammunition.
Okay, Abdul Razak of the NDC and I
Needs FM.